How to remove parental control on Likee. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Likee. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left corner. After that, click on the Parental Controls option at the bottom left corner. As soon as you do that, you will get to this page right here. Click on Disable at the bottom. It will ask you to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. As soon as you do that, the Parental Controls option will be turned off. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to remove parental control on Likee. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.